Hail damage to vehicles
I missed one.
Expect wind damage.
Hold up. Ugh. There's going to be another one.
Illinois until 8 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winslow, or 11 miles southwest of Monroe, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, Winslow, Rock City, Buena Vista, Rock Grove, Oneco, Orangeto, Wadhams Grove, Red Oak, Lake Aquanaut State Park, Atoke, McConnell, Dakota Dorning Airport, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is Noaa Weather Radio Station KZZ 57 Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or